Publish your fulfillment offers at Cdiscount. First, you must ensure that your products have been received in our warehouses and placed in stock. I invite you to look at the tutorial dedicated to the reception of your products to learn more. When you have the confirmation that your products have been received, and if it's a new delivery of a product that you have already sent in fulfillment, you have nothing particular to do. Your product will be put back online and available for sales automatically. If it's a first delivery, it will switch to fulfillment status while maintaining the same publication state. This status is visible in the stock available for sale. It becomes grid with the mentioned warehouse stock. If your product was online as a marketplace offer, it will remain online as a fulfillment offer and can be sold automatically. If your product was offline as a marketplace offer, it will remain offline as a fulfillment offer. In this case, check the selling price, then publish your products at cdiscount.com. To do so, you can click on the Offers to put online on the left side of the screen and select Publish. If you have many offers, you can filter all those that are in fulfillment. You will notice that when an offer is out of stock in fulfillment, it automatically switches to offline mode. You only have to create a new supply order, and as soon as the products arrive in stock, your offer will automatically be back online. The ideal is to anticipate and deliver again before we run out of stock.